तालिबान पे सभी दलों की बैठक खत्म। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर, 3 घंटे से ज्यादा चली सर्वदलीय बैठक। बड़ी खबर इस वक्त की, सभी दलों के साथ अच्छी बातचीत हुई। ये विदेश मंत्री ने कहा, काबुल में फंसे हर भारतीय को वापस लाएंगे। विदेश मंत्री की तरफ से बयान दिया गया। बड़ी खबर इस वक्त की, अफगान मुद्दे पर सभी दल एक साथ हैं। 3 घंटे से ज्यादा सर्वदलीय बैठक चली है। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, 3 घंटे से ज्यादा सर्वदलीय बैठक चली, सभी दलों के साथ अच्छी बातचीत हुई। विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कहा, काबुल में फंसे हर भारतीय को वापस लाया जाएगा। विदेश मंत्री की तरफ से कहा गया। क्या कुछ विदेश मंत्री ने कहा वो आपको सुनाते हैं।
Parties were there. Almost everybody spoke, and I had done, Prahlad ji and I had done some introductory remarks. Foreign Secretary gave a detailed presentation after that. Then there were clarifications and comments on the presentation and on the views of parties on the situation in Afghanistan. I responded to everybody's comments individually. And the message which we all want to give you, all of us political parties, including the government, is that on this matter we all have a very similar view. We have a strong national position on Afghanistan. The friendship with the Afghan people is something which matters to all of us. So we approach this situation very much in a spirit of, I would say, national unity. So there were concerns. Most of the questions and issues were about evacuation. I shared with them that we have under Operation Devi Shakti done 6 flights. The latest flights was this morning, which took off at 3 o'clock. We have brought back most of the Indians, but not all of them. There are still a few out there. Some of them could not make it for the flight yesterday. But definitely we will try and bring out everybody. We have also brought out some Afghan citizens who wanted to come to India at this point of time. We have tried to address many of the other issues, like by instituting an e-visa policy. So the overall sense was that government is very, very strongly committed to ensuring the full evacuation as soon as possible, and also saying that in terms of any international decisions which are made, any gatherings which are there, that our diplomacy, our role, our interests are recognized. We are in touch with many partners. There will be many more meetings in the coming days. I think some of you know, last 2 days President Putin and Chancellor Merkel spoke to Prime Minister. There will be, I think, some other calls at his level. There are many other foreign minister calls at my level. So there will be a lot of activity on the Afghanistan front. But at the moment, as I said, our focus is on evacuation, and the government is doing everything to ensure that we bring back